Hi friends, this is Shaji. Today's section I'm going to talk about some important command to troubleshoot the domain controller. I have installed two Windows Server with 2019 and configured domain control. So let's take a look. Both domain control is showing DC1 and DC2. Just close everything. Open CMD with the admin privilege. The first command is dcdeac. If you are experiencing some problem with Active Directory and suspecting a DC configuration issue, this command will be extremely useful. It will give you the full report. You can go through the report and find out the errors. So if you only want to run a specific test, then you can use this command dcdeac space forward test :DNS, which you wish to search. Here I already got the result. My domain name is test.com. Test.com passed test DNS. The next command is dcdeac space skip system log. With the help of this command, you can skip specific testers. The next command is dcdeac space /s double dot then server name. With the help of this command, you can specify the another server to run this test. So that means I have given my another domain dc2. I'm just running the old command again, but this time I'm specifying to another server dc2. Command is dcdeac space /q. This command will hide all testers that passed, leaving only the test that failed. There is no output actually. It's just because of no error in this domain control. I'm just testing at another domain controller, that other dc2. If you found any errors after running dcdeac, you can fix it with the help of this command dcdeac space /s double that dc domain name space / then fix. This command is not that powerful. It won't fix all issues. Some small errors we can fix it help of this command. The next command is repadmin. It is very useful for troubleshooting Active Directory replication problems. Repadmin space show REPL. This command help you to understand the role of each domain control in the replication process. This is helpful to identify what objects are failing to replicate. It's showing that last attempt, then time and that successful. Everything is showing successful actually. There is no error. The next command is repadmin space RPL summary. This command will quickly show the overall replication health and it will show the percentage of replication attempts that have failed as well as the largest replication deltas. If you want to see the replication status for the specific domain controller, then you can use this command repadmin space /show RPL then the domain name. I'm in the first domain DC1, so I'm giving DC2. If you want to see only the errors, then you can use this command Rep space / show RPL space / errors only. The next command is for force Active Directory replication. If you want to force replication with me domain controller, then you can use this command repadmin space sync / sync call, then the first DC name. I'm in the DC1, so DC1, then / capital A E D. Suppose your first DC is out of sync, you have to run on the first DC. It will pull update from second DC to first DC. Sync call finished. Let's check the status of that. Repa admin space show RPL. So it will give you a replication status. Replication status showing successful and it got updated 1 minute before. The next command for to push replication to others domain controller. Let's say if you make some changes on the first DC and you want to replicate to those to others DC. For that you can use repadmin space / single. I'm in the first DC, so I'm giving the first DC name DC1 space / APED. Single finished, so let's check the status of the replication. Just now it got updated, it's showing that same time. Next command is netdom. That is allow management of Windows domains and trust relationship. It is used for batch management of trust, joining computers to domain and verifying trust and secure channel. Now I am going to check the FSMO roles. For that command is netdom query FSMO. If you are new to the FSMO roles, then you have to take some classes about that because it's very important to know. Suppose your one domain is down, in that time you have to cease or transfer your FSMO roles to others domain. With the help of this command, you can check that. That's all for this video and thanks for watching.